What's up mga kaibigan, maglalaro po tayo ng Minecraft. Nag-iba kami ng server ngayon, kaya ganun. Ngayon, spawn dito tayo sa desert. I mean like, hindi naman. Kaka-move ko lang kasi. Ayan. Wala akong masyadong magawa dito, kaya titingin tayo ng biome or babalik tayo, titingin tayo kung meron tayo makikitang land. Kunin muna natin itong mga sticks. Alright. Uy, nahulog ako. Walang masyadong pagkain dito. Ayan. Uy, may coal. Kunin ko sana, pero wala akong Alright. Grabe yung desert to. Ayan, kukumuha na Ayan, okay. Punta na tayo dito. Yung direction para makapunta tayo. Alright. Yung dalawa kong may kasama po tayo dito. Yung isa ko pong kaibigan na si Horimiya. Ayan. Sabihin ko lang niya, hindi siya yung pang real name nila eh. Kagaya din si Lunox. Ayun, okay. Kagaya nga din si Lunox. Yung baka maging short na video kasi gagawa pa ako ng assignment ko and other stuff. Kaya ngayon, gawa muna tayo ng sword. Alright. If ever na hindi ako nagtotalk, okay lang yun. Like, anong problema naman doon? Since nakita nyo yung part 1 nung di na namin yata yung gagamitin yata. Nag-iiba na naman kaming iba tong gawa tayo agad ng gamit. Alright. Ano muna natin to in case na may zombie. Lo! Okay, namatay si Hornia. Damn. Alright. Get off. Alright. So, pwede naman tayo kumuha salmon. Pwede. Okay, kuha muna tayo salmon. Mahirap yata makakuha. Since, madaming drowned. Ayun pala. Biglang nag-spawn to. Ay, putik ka. Nakalimutan ko nga pala may to. Okay, we're gonna go out of these sheets. We're going to run through the hills. Hills tuloy. Heh. Oy! Tiga na yun, guys. Tiga na. Alright. If you guys like, baka ito yung season 2 na. Baka gawin ko tong, behind the scenes. Wait, tangina! Kukunin natin yung gamit ata natin. Alright. Para hindi natin patagalin yung video, ano muna natin. Pause. Alright, we found another, forest. Ngayon with, ganito yung health natin. Ay, alright. Pero wala na tayong susuko. Tayo, adventure to the west. You know, a journey to the west. Alright. Alright. Shit, may zombie. Ay, zombie tuloy. Alright. Balik. We found some wood. Now we can, we can start upgrading and shit. Whew, finally. Okay, we just gotta get out of here now. Oh shit, there's an Enderman. Oh, food. This is survival Minecraft. Hello cow, I'm going to eat you. Yeah. Alright, let's make some oak planks. Then this and that, this, that, and this. Alright. Ay. Mali. Alright, kakatayin na natin yung nice. Maybe pwede tayo dito gumawa ng base. Pwede ata. Out in the open. Alright. Since madami naman tayong resources dun sa other side, pwede tayo gumawa ng bahay. Like right now, because we might end up dead at night. Right. Awkward. Oh, god damn it. And you could make a sign out of it. So yeah, it's cool. Let's start making a base. I'm going to copy like last time. Alright, I'm going to build the house. Right, I'm gonna build the house. Before that, I'm gonna ano, I'm going to. All right, I finished doing the outline of my house. Let's just get this. Good thing I had enough wool to make that bed, because if I didn't, I'm super dead. Yeah. So then I'm gonna make a what's it called? Mm, a door. Okay, there's the door. Alright, this door is going to protect me forever. Now, we're going to get some, I don't know, some sand. So, I'm going to cut the video then. Yeah. Ayan na nga po. At, tapos na, na tayo. Tapos na yung, natin. Yung, to? Hindi pa naman tapos yung, bahay. Pero, okay na to. Mukhang bahay na eh. So, maglalagay muna ako ng roof. So, stay, muna tayo. Stay cool. Muna. Alright. Tapos na yung bubong natin, guys. Ngayon is, gagawa na lang muna tayo ng smoker. So, pupunta tayo sa may kukuha tayo ng kukuha tayo ng stone, then ewan ko, pero gawa nga muna tayo ng, hindi, wag muna, wala nga pala akong wood. Ayun, ginawa ko lahat wee, I'm on my way. Lagay ako dito ng, I don't know, stock up naman na tayo. Alright, going up. Alright, let's get our shovel. Alright, now simply just get some oak woods. I might I don't know, gonna make some charcoal with this. Is that an apple? Alright. Huh? Parrot. I'm gonna make a sign with this. Hindi, huwag mo na yan. Alright. Let's go and create and charcoal. Then after we make some charcoal, maybe I'm gonna end this video cause and si Horimiya yan. But just to be ito. Hey. Sign. Oh, I need this chain. The make chains. Oh, god damn it. Well, let's just do normal sign. But ayun ko, nag-English na ako tuloy. Lalagay ko dito. Ito. Alright. After that, we're going to make smokers. I'll just make another one. Alright. Now that we're making some, this has been a long day right now, cause yeah. Now that we have charcoals, I'm gonna end here. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for another video. Bye and peace out.